It's been a while since I taught you guys some way to introduce and start your presentation. And so today I'm going to give you a really simple question that you can ask at the beginning of your presentation to get the audience engaged. Hey there, my name is Carl Kwan. This is a channel all about presentations, how-tos, and tips. You'll also see some videos related to my business, which is creating videos for other companies, helping them with their video marketing, but mostly you'll learn about presentation skills. So the question that you can ask people at the beginning of your presentation to get their interest is, did you know? Now, obviously, when you ask this question, you want to follow it up with something that they probably don't know, because then it would be too obvious and they wouldn't care what your did you know is. So what you want to say is something like this. Did you know that 64% of consumers will make a buying decision about a product or service after watching a video about that product or service from the company that's offering that product or service? So it's something that people may not be aware of. It's something that gets the conversation going. And then you can follow that up now with something that is related to that topic. So with my example there, I could say, well, that's why it's so important to use video in your business nowadays for any kind of marketing and social media marketing. So then I would talk more about why that's important and back up that stat and back up that did you know question. So just a really quick, simple way to get the audience engaged, to get them interested in your topic just by asking a question, did you know? But make sure it's something that they actually don't know or are not likely to know, and then that way the question will actually be effective. Let me know if you have any questions or comments and leave those below and I'll do my best to answer them for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.